Sup, y'all? Dominoes Seven here. Okay. Mm. Well. Uh, I already made a video of what I had to say about Gail King and stuff like that. Like they said, if it ain't one thing, it's another. You know. Mm. Well, oh well. Mm. Well, my word is she wrong for that shit. You know. Mm. I must say, I'm very disappointed. And you know, my partner though, you know, got into an argument with somebody on Facebook because somebody disrespecting Kobe Bryant and stuff like that. Mm. Well, wait, let me rephrase that. Okay, I meant to say when when he was when he was mentioning something about Snoop Dogg calling Gail King a bitch. You know. Mm. Well, anyway, well, I agree with Snoop on one thing, but I disagree with threats. You know what I'm saying? Hmm. I mean, let me tell y'all something though. Making making death threats, huh? And if something happened to that person, your dumb ass gonna be locked up. You know, making death threats. Hmm. What the hell that's gonna accomplish? It ain't gonna accomplish shit. You know. Hmm. It ain't gonna accomplish shit. Making making damn death threats. But as far as Gail King goes, I don't give a damn about her. I don't even watch her on CBS this morning. You know, as a matter of fact, I don't watch that at all. I don't watch that shit at all. I watch CBS when Price is Right and Let's Make a Deal is on, and CBS News sometime. But I don't watch no CBS this morning. And plus, I don't even care for no Gail King. You know, I don't care. I don't care for Gail King at all. Hmm. Yes, indeed, Wardy. The hell with her. Hmm. I mean, my opinion is she fucking wrong for that. She goddamn wrong for talking about what Kobe Bryant allegedly did. And as far as that, Kobe Bryant ain't nothing like that, to my knowledge. He's a good basketball player, good father, good man. You name it. Hmm. Yeah, but Snoop Dogg, he my favorite rapper. To be honest with every one of y'all. Yeah, Snoop Dogg my favorite rapper. Yes, indeed. Keep it doggy style and stuff like that. Even though I'm not too much fond of dogs too much. I talk to them to do. Well, that was well said hello to a dog, but no offense though. But as far as Snoop Dogg goes, I want to tell y'all. I want to tell y'all Snoop Dogg have a point on that one. And also Gail King getting death threats that I was told. So what's the deal with that? And by the way, Oprah Winfrey, of all people, and you know what? Speaking of Oprah Winfrey, I mean, talking bad about Michael Jackson and stuff like that while he gone and stuff like that, trying to ruin his legacy and stuff like that, trying to ruin Kobe Bryant's legacy. Who else did legacy they gonna ruin next? Tupac, Biggie Smalls, Notorious B.I.G. I mean, who? Big Pun or something? Who knows? You know? Yes, indeed. Hmm. Michael Jackson been gone for 10 years, right? Or was it 11 years? Hmm. Yes, indeed. I mean, the way I look at this, where I look at that though, I mean, And you know, I didn't know that was little Boosie making a video statement dissing Gail King and stuff like that. I didn't know that, to be honest with y'all. You know, I really didn't know. You know, hmm if it ain't one thing, it's another. My friend, I don't know if I should still call her a best friend. You know, so you know something. I want to tell y'all something. I want to tell everybody something. You know, whoever the hell is watching this, but I'm pretty sure she's watching this. You know, I mean, I want to let people know, especially her best friend. I ain't gonna mention her name either. Okay, you think I'm a I'm gonna you know, you think that I'm a bad person. Well, let me tell you something. Well, just in case you watching this video, I don't know what's going on with you, you know, but I wish you would talk to me, you know. That's why I was getting mad with her, because I felt ignored, I felt left out and stuff like that. When 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 coming to New Orleans and not coming to see me, I was hurt. So I had no choice but to retaliate, you know. So anyway, what happened was that she got her coworker to call my phone and stuff like that. But the thing was, I was hurt, you know. So like I say, I got mental problems and stuff like that, you know. I do, yes I do. You know, I guess I should have made this video on my webcam, you know. But I'm on this damn phone, you know, on this phone. I'm laughing because, well, let me take my glasses off. Hmm. Once again, well, you know. But anyway, uh, so I don't know what my well, should I call her an associate, an acquaintance, or something like that, or should I still call her my best friend? I ain't gonna mention her name, because you know this video is going on YouTube, folks. Just in case y'all watching this live stream or previously recorded or something like that, you know. Y'all know how it is, you know. hmm I just wish she would have been talking to me, you know. Cause like I said before, best friends don't hide stuff from best friends, you know. But best friends hang out with each other, you know. But don't never call Dominoes Seven a best friend. Well, I'm not. I'm not just talking to her. I, you know. I just want to say, never call nobody a best friend if you don't mean it. Okay. So I'm not going. I'm not going to talk bad about her or whatever while I'm live streaming, and I'm still not going to mention her name though. I guess she been going through a lot. It just hurt me that she going through a lot, and I'm not a lying snake. I'm not a lying snake. Okay, so for some people that think Domino Seven is a lying snake, y'all can go to hell. You hear me? Hmm. This not a diss video. This is a heart to heart and a diss to Gail King. You know, sometimes I know what I'm talking about. Sometimes I don't know what I'm talking about. But who watching this? I don't know who watching this. but all I know is my family's watching this. My people, yeah, my people watching this, and I'm pretty sure she's watching it. You know, but like I said, if I ain't care about her like that, I would be so upset with her for avoiding me. You know, because like I said, Domino Seven got feelings too, you know. But I'm not one of those psychopaths that make a video and go on some kind of rampage or whatever, you know. I got fans of my show, you know. Some people watch my show, and there was some people that came interview me for their show, you know. That was when I was at MechaCon last year. I'm talking about MechaCon 2018. Those folks put me on their show, and I put them on my show. And y'all, if y'all find that video, y'all gonna see I'm holding two cameras on this show and stuff like that. They interviewed me and stuff like that. You know, I got fans. You know, I may be a jerk to some people, especially our best friend. I ain't gonna mention her name. You know, but you know what? I want to let y'all know something. My mama came here in spirit and told me leave her alone and let her breathe. You know. But not only that though, if she my best friend, like she says she is, you know what I mean? Because I really didn't mean to because my mama's gone and stuff like that. I just wish she would have been coming around when my mama was alive, you know. But at least her mom had a chance to speak to my mama. At least she had a chance to speak to my mama, you know. Hmm. But let me tell you something. I'm a good person, but when you upset me or when you leave me out and stuff like that, you know. But I already know who's watching this though. So anyway, Domino Seven is fine. Okay, don't worry about Domino. You know. Well, situation with Gail King, situation with my friend who I really care about. You know. So as far as this girl Dominique goes, Dominique. Well, they call her Diamond. She's a good singer. You know, I would love to have her on my show. You know. All right. So you know what? I want to let y'all know something. Instead of handling this with anger, I guess I should have been praying though. You know, my pastor told me I need to pray. You know, sometimes I don't think about that. You know, when your anger get the best of you and stuff like that. You know, having that girl a cry. That's because she's so far away and I don't see her. You know, I know she ain't my damn girlfriend or whatever, which I wish she would have been. And plus, I never dated a cousin ever. You know, so as far as I don't know if that's a cousin or what, unless she just telling me that whatever. But this ain't no this video though. I wish my friend would have told me that she was at that second live, and I know it would have been a possibility they would have been shooting at that at that second line. I would have risked my life to go out there. You know, no matter what, even if it would have cost me my life, I would have went out there to try to see her. Yes, I would. I would even risk my life for my mama. When I was sick, though, I was feeling bad. I had some kind of virus or whatever, a stomach virus, had diarrhea and stuff like that. I was feeling so bad. And guess what I did? Even though I was feeling bad, even though she was sick too, you know. All right. Yes, indeed, But, but I must say though. So, what I want to say was this. Okay, let me take a moment and try to get my sentence together. Okay, but I'm still not gonna mention her name though. Mm. If I could, I would give her this Valentine card though. I tried to give her a Valentine card. I ain't know how to give it to her. But that was like in 2011. I told her I was gonna give her a Valentine card. She was like, oh my God. Yes, I woulda. You know. Hmm. So I must say, I didn't mean to talk bad about her though. You know, I didn't mean to. So you like they say, when you let emotions get the best of you, you know, just like me, But I gotta keep it real with y'all. Even though I had a right to get mad at her, I was still wrong. Instead of handling it the right way and stuff like that, I got upset because I haven't heard from her and stuff like that. You know. So this ain't no cock and bull story though. Hmm. Yes, I am a good person. You know. Hmm. Oh well, life goes on. So I know my people watching this though. Yep. I know my people watching this, but I'm pretty sure her friend is watching this because this is on YouTube, you know. But I'm not gonna diss her or none of that, you know. Not unless she get out of hand. That's when I'll diss her, you know. And I also have an attitude like Donald Trump, you know. So as far as Donald Trump goes, I don't support him or none of that. The impeachment trial, well, the impeachment though, well, as far as I know, I'm not gonna say my president or not my president. I ain't gonna say none of that, you know. Hmm. But all I say is I'm not a fan of this man, you know. But all I say is if anybody wants to support Donald Trump, that's all you, you know. Hmm. All right. So as far as that though, I'm watching cheaters and stuff like that, you know. But the way I think about it, I'll pray for my friend though, you know. Oh well, that's all I gotta say. That's it. All right.